Now, you know what Vincent call her? Vincent says Sarah, she's a trophy. She's just a trophy you can put out.
How?
I went to ShopRite, went to buy some things. As we were passing, so people were shouting, fire Lord. I knew, and I've always said it, that I want, when people see my wife, they will not because they want to respect me, they will automatically respect me when they see who your wife be. The same thing for my wife. When they see who your husband be, like, are you married this guy? Now, so
Lord.
I said, this ShopRite like this, can't see. And I told her, see, all this one they are hailing me, it's not me, it's you. They are because of you. They are surprised that I can carry this fine girl. She was like, really? I'm like, yeah. Like, wow. I took her to church. She asked me, why are they respecting me like that? Like, I said, it's because you are with me.
Wow.
I said, it's because you are with me. Because in church, they know me. So she was wondering how they were not treating her. I said, yeah. But I repeat, bad. You know what you call bad? Bad character. You need to see her angry.
Ladies, you should represent us.
You need to see her talking. They talk you not care. Talk to you anyhow, like say you not be person. Like, if she talks, one time she was talking and me when get patient die. Hey, patient na my second name. I have patient that they looking like this. I'm like, do you know that this guy can talk angry for 1 hour? And I'm quiet too for that whole 1 hour. Then when she's done, I'll be like, okay, I'm sorry, but the thing is that, say, no. Then that's another 30 minutes.
That version. No.
Then I will wait. When she's not finished that 30 minutes, I'll not be like, can I explain? Me will be mafia. Just to fulfill all righteousness. I want calm. I want just... No. So if man like woman, I go mellow.
Go mellow.
Wait now.
Wait. One was humbled.
Wait. I was not humbled because of her.
It's your person, right?
I have a pattern.
Okay.
Let me show you the pattern. This is it. It's not only in relationship. Anything I do it so well that if that thing not work, you no feel hold me saying that because of me not work.
Oh,
that's why when we talk about this podcast, this is the second time, I always come early. I will follow up, I will do what I'm supposed to. You know why? So that if it doesn't work, you cannot say, Sare, it's because of him. I can never fault myself. It's called excellence.
Yeah.
So I was not calm because she was, what I was doing was, make it not be say, na me go raise my voice. Make it not be say, na me slap her. Make it not be saying, I'm tell her, get out. No, let's lay down our life for her. Not what she will do. Let's see how she will respond to the laying down of the life. I treated her like a superstar. She treated me like a fan. Yes, that's how I always say it. I say, okay. And guess what? And at the last minute, and I said, all right, I've had it enough. I'm satisfied now. I've now known that this is a bad character.
Yes,
it's not a mistake. I know this is a bad character. So and I said, okay. You can go now. I didn't say anything. I let her finish, enjoy. When she left, she now called I blocked her. I said, if you ever call my number again, are you mad? I blocked her generation. Sorry to her dad, because her dad is a very good man.
Yes.
I blocked everything. She had called. I said, don't call me. If you try that nonsense. Came to my house, started crying. Thank God I was not around. I told them that company, I don't know how.